Back to my channel, Sparkle and Glue. So glad to have you here. Anyway, so yesterday, we did a 5x5 tutorial. The album is 5x5 to make a junk journal or mini album folio. Anyway, and we didn't decorate it, but I went ahead and decorated the one that I had with craft paper. So the white one we did on the video, I haven't decorated yet. Get to it eventually. Anyway, but I just wanted to show you what we had. So it got really full. So I'm using a paper collection that I've been working on, that I'm making in Canva. I'm doing some with AI and different things, and it's actually really fun. It's a little harder than I thought, but I am enjoying it. I'm calling it Painted Floral. So anyway, and so here's our first page. And it opens like this, and then I just added some journaling cards here. And this is a little folio that I made. And I added just some tags inside. And on one of my videos, which I'll link it below, both, I'll link the tutorial below, and also for the folio, there's the tutorial for the folio, and then a free download with some of the paper, so you can have try that and see what you think. So I did, this is our flip open, and I just added, so we put on the belly band and then a few tags. So we'll slide those back in. And then our gatefold, which haven't done much in here yet, but and glued a little envelope with a rhinestone. And this is that fold pocket we did, which was really cute. And then just added some little tags. And this I got from Hobby Lobby. It's just the, it did open a little magnet, but it broke, so I had to glue it. But I thought it was kind of cute, the little heart. It doesn't do it, it's not keeping it closed, but, and then a pocket with a lot of little things in there, some cards, and a little envelope, and I don't know, a little ticket. So that's in there. And this is our trifold flip. So it opens like this, and then like this, and then like this. So there's a lot of places for journaling cards or pictures or notes. And this is our double pocket page, and then just put some tags in here and a little cutout of the flowers, and then I put a little couple of sticky rhinestones on it. This is a belly band with some little envelopes on top, and then just a card. And then I glued a little stamp. And this is a double flip with a pocket, and then just some little tag and paper. And I guess this is called the accordion fold, so it opens like this, and then it also has room on the other side. So again, for journaling or pictures or notes or anything that you would like. And then another pocket with just some tags. I put two tags together, an envelope, glued a little envelope onto this. And this, so there it goes. And then the back cover, which is the same as the front, with journaling pages on it. And it's just tied together with a little ribbon. And so that's pretty much it, but I think it came out cute, and I had a lot of fun making it. It actually took longer to decorate than I thought, and I'm not sure why. Sometimes you just move along quicker and sometimes you don't. But the bottom line is it's just all about having fun and enjoying yourself. And I hope you guys get a chance to make the album that's in the tutorial. And like I said, and then I'll also link where you can get the free download. It's on a Google Drive of the little folio and some little tags and different things you can put inside. Anyway, so that was a quick video, but thanks for stopping by. Thanks for stopping again. I appreciate having you here, and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a great night.